Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will provide information on how to fix the Character.AI Not Working issue. This error, which is encountered, usually occurs due to server density, restricting users' access to the site. Of course, we may encounter such an error not only because of this problem, but also because of many other problems. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. Before we show you solutions, we will briefly talk about the forum. You can forward various errors you encounter to the community on the forum portal we have opened. For this, if your problem continues or if you encounter a different problem, you can get a quick response by sharing it on the forum portal. We care about your questions and suggestions. First of all, the crash of Character.AI servers due to the density may cause us to encounter various problems like this. All we have to do for this is to wait for the servers to recover. If you think that it is not a server-related situation, let's move on to our other suggestion. The files in the temporary cache of the Character.AI application may be problematic or incorrectly loaded. To solve this problem, we can eliminate the problem by clearing the browser cache. For this, let's go to the Character.AI site and right-click on the page and select the Inspect option. After this process, click on the Application option. Select the Storage option on the left side of the screen that opens. Go down and click the Clear Site Data button. After the process is complete, you can check if the problem persists by refreshing the site. Access bans may be imposed on some countries to fix servers. To prevent this, we can download any VPN application and perform the connection process. For this, download the appropriate VPN application in the article and refresh the page by performing any connection operation. If your problem persists, I suggest you disable all active add-ons in your browser. This is because some plugins may prevent the algorithm from working. For this, disable all active add-ons from your browser and check if the problem persists by refreshing the page. If there is no problem with the servers and your problem persists, you can check whether the Character.AI application is running in a different browser. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix the Character.AI Not Working error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.